Altogether, 175 candidates will contest elections in 38 assembly segments of Manipur in the first phase on February 27th. Any candidate can withdraw their candidature till February 11th. From Imphal East, which has 10 ACS, 45 candidates filed their papers. A total of 56 candidates filed papers from 13 assembly segments of Imphal West. In Bishnupur, 22 candidates will contest election in 6 constituencies. For 1 Khundrakpam AC, 4 candidates were found valid to contest the elections. For 2 Haingang AC, 2 candidates were found valid to contest the elections. For 3 Kurai AC, 7 candidates were found valid after the scrutiny round to contest the election. For 4 Khetrigao AC, 5 candidates were valid after the scrutiny round to contest the elections. For 4 Khetrigao AC, 5 candidates were valid after the scrutiny round to contest the elections till the last day of the nomination, February 8. 176 candidates filed a nominations paper, but the number was reduced to 175 as the paper of the independent candidate Lukhoisei in 59 Saikot AC was declared invalid during scrutiny.